Okay, part B to this video. Sorry about that. We're going to start with number 15. So we are adding 10 and 23. Then we'll divide it by 3. So this is where you're going to have to remember from math class your order of operations. You're going to have to use parentheses for these. So I am going to identify first where my cells are. So I'm going to go back to my grid. And the numbers that we are looking for are 10 and 23. So I'm going to put little lines through them this time. So here's the number 10. Here is the number 23. Right here in G. And then we're going to divide it by 3. So let's also locate 3, and it is right here in A1. Okay, so let's go over to our other sheet. And again, telling Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets that you are putting in a formula. You're starting with an equal sign. So parentheses, you're adding first. So C2 plus G4, and your parenthesis, because again, that's what's happening first. And when you're done adding, you will divide by A1. Okay, let's take a look at number 16. Actually, I'm going to have you move on to 17. Go on to 17. So we're going to add 2, 19, 18, and 26. So let's find those numbers on your grid. 2, 19, 18, and 26. So this is another range. And then what we're doing with that is we are dividing it by 6. So here is the number 6 right here in B1. Okay, so let's go back to your second page. Again, beginning with an equal sign. And we're adding a range, so the word sum in parentheses. It is in column E, so E1 colon E4, and your parentheses. Then divide by 6. So divided by, and we said that the number 6 was in B2. All right, let's try one more. Then I will leave you to finish the rest of them for tomorrow. So the next one, you are subtracting 2 from 14 and then multiplying it by 9. 2 from 14, then multiply by 9. So let's go back to your grid. We'll find these numbers. Okay, so subtract 2 from 14. So let's locate the number 2. And here it is. I'm going to put it in a triangle. And let's locate the number 14. And here is the number 14 in B3. And we'll also locate the number 9. And the number 9, here it is, in G1. Okay, so those are the cells that you are using. Let's put this together. Remember your order. So you are starting with an equal sign. Subtract 2 from 14. So equal sign, parenthesis, B3 minus E3, and your parenthesis, and multiply it, so you need your asterisk, by 9. 9 is in cell G1. Okay, so there you go. So what I would like you to do for tomorrow, and we'll have this due tomorrow morning before I put out tomorrow's lesson with you, is I would like you to do numbers 3, 6, 8. So they would be the ones that we didn't do together. 3, 6, 8. Now when you go to page 2, it would be number 11, number 14, 16, 18, and 20. If you can do 21, 22, and 23, I will give you bonus points for doing those. Okay, so this is basically the beginning of working with spreadsheet formulas. Tomorrow we'll go one step further and we will actually prepare a spreadsheet in Google Sheets showing how Google Sheets can calculate for you. So if you have any questions, you can either watch the video a second or a third time, or you can let me know by email or message me through Google Classroom. And if we need to, we can do a Zoom or a Google Meet. So I will see you tomorrow and have a good day.